Okay, we're now on a long multiplication. We've got a full crate of bottles and we've got 36 in the crate. And we've got 48 of those full crates. So we need a long multiplication. 48 multiplied by 36. Now a lot of people get confused with this. So you can do it any way that you find is best for you. Some people like to say, well, I can't do it when I've got two together. Let's just do it separately. 36 is 48 times 30 first of all. Okay, so deal with the 30 and then 48 and deal with the 6 times 6. Work out the two of them separately and add them together. And if that works for you, that's fine. You know when you're working out multiplying by 30, okay, we don't want to make it complicated. It's easy to multiply by a 10, put a 0 down. So let's put a 0 down there. And now it's just the same as multiplying by the 3. If you want, cover up the 0 with your finger. 3 lots of 8 and 3 lots of 4. 3 lots of 8 is 24. We put the 4 down and we've got to carry the 2. Some people like to carry the 2 down the bottom. I always like to carry the 2 up by the number that I'm going to add it to. So 3 8s are 24. 4 down, carry the 2. 3 times 4 is 12 and 2 make 14. So that's 48 multiplied by 30 in this one here. I'm now going to do exactly the same, 48 multiplied by 6. I've got no 10s there, so it's just 6 lots of 8 and 6 lots of 4. 6 lots of 8, 6 8s are 48. Again, if you don't know your tables, you're going to have to do 8, 8, 8. Okay, some people have to do this. 8 and 8 is 16. Well, that's 2 lots of 8, then another 2 lots of 8, and another 2 lots of 8. That would be 6 lots of 8, and you could add them together to give you 48. Whatever way you have to do it, as long as you get the answer, it doesn't matter. So 6 8s are 48. 8 down, carry the 4. Again, I like to carry it up with the number I'm dealing with. 6 lots of 4 is 24, and the 4 make 28. Now, that's 30 times 48. This is 6 times 48, so I need to add them together. Okay, if I add them together, I've got the 1440, and I've got the 288. Add them together. 8 and 0 is 8. 8 and 4 is 12, carry the 1 over, 4, 5, 6 and 1 is 7, so 1728 is my answer. And I'm going to put it at the bottom there, just clearly showing the examiner what my answer is. He hasn't got to look for it, okay? The answer's there, but I've got my method as well on the way. Now, part B, again, we've got no calculator, 8%. We know that 8% means 8 out of 100. Okay, you'd fail if you get 8%, 8 out of 100, but that's what it means. Out of is just a division line. Of in maths we know is times, okay, times 300. Now to make it easy for yourself, you can cancel. And you can cancel in the shape of the dicky bow, either down or diagonally. And you can see I can cancel one of the zeros, that's dividing both of them by 10, and I can divide another one by 10. So I've got a 1 left on the bottom. What have I got left on the top? 8 times 3 is 24. Now I haven't got £300, so it's not £24, so it's just 24. 8% of 300 is 24.